Hey guys, in this video we wanted to share how we created large silicone mold for epoxy resin projects. It helps a lot to save up your time and keep your working space clean, same as your projects. We got hard foam project panels at Home Depot because it's lightweight and easy to work with. We scotch taped all over for easier demolition and to prevent further silicone leak. In this case, metal ruler helps a lot to keep all the edges straight and clean. Here you can see all the parts of this mold. Please make sure to tape all the sides and corners for easier and cleaner silicone demolition. Just in case, we sealed all the corners with clear silicone. Well, we're ready for the silicone. Now it's time to make silicone parts. Make sure to mix silicone parts thoroughly or it will not cure properly. It will help a lot if you have paddle mixer. Pour silicone slowly, right in center. Let the silicone set and level itself. Now we're gonna leave it for a couple days to cure. Once it's cured, you can simply separate the foam boards from the silicone. Before starting any project, make sure your table is leveled. You can use any leveler and don't forget to check all the sides. The good thing about making this foam board mold is it can be used as a cover for all the project while epoxy resin is curing. You can now enjoy creating any desired projects without making a mess. As always, thank you for watching. Yasser Qadri and Kirill Romanov.